Alright, for those of you that don't know, Nick's car went down not too long ago after the Eureka Springs rally. And it's back with the hood exit. Sounds good.
Loud, it does. I thought it was gonna sound more like ass. I don't know, it's hard to make these things sound really good. Sounds kind of like a diesel almost.
That's deeper.
Nearly put probably about 50 miles on it. Breaking these bearings.
So you just on base mat?
No, it's I think the second revision so far.
Gotcha.
Yeah, I didn't get too far on my base mat before it blew up. I don't know if it's from fueling or what.
It's alive though, back on the streets.
It is. I know, I didn't even enjoy it like maybe a month. So I wish I could see the exhaust, like the actual exit.
Yeah, you just see smoke come out from somewhere over there.
When I had the hood, I would like crack it and leave it barely just latch it, just not shut all the way. Fucking smoke just poured all in the cab. It was pretty funny.
What do you think so far? You like it more with the hood exit?
I don't know, it's a different sound. It's definitely loud until I get in trouble. Then I'll be like, let's just go ahead and throw the full exhaust back on. I don't know, Hondas do it, so.
True. Yeah, this would be real hard to do it in Cali.
Yeah, no. We would have been pulled over by now. It's kind of like, I wonder what it'd sound like with a T51.
Yeah.
I think it'd be really loud then.
But you can still hear it quite a bit.
Yeah.
Downshifts are crispy. It'd be hard to go back to a full exhaust after having this.
Man,
it's not going to be the same.
It isn't, because I don't have the turbo as much with full exhaust.
No, she's just starting to break up there.
Yeah. Oh, I think my power steering went out.
Really? I think it's gonna be fun.
Yeah. Not cool.
Sounds weird. It's different having it up front because you're like expecting to hear it in the back, you know? Like when you're turning, it's almost like it's leading you. I don't know. It's weird. No oil?
No, I think this turbo blank has done got oil on it. So once they get oil on them,